Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can archive users and transfer data in Google Workspace. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, ensure that you already have your Google Workspace plan so that you would be able to actually access all of its features. And once you sign into your Google account, what you will have to do is go to your admin console, and basically you will see this interface right here if you really have the plan. So what you will have to do is click users, and once you click users, what should be like this or like this, what you will have to do is click that, and again, you will just have to select the user that you want to archive, and then you will just have to click the transfer data, and then you will choose new owner for emails, drive files, and calendars. And after confirming, you will just have to archive or suspend the user account. And by the way, you must always verify that all data has been successfully transferred before completing the archive. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.